A rally was taken out on the 1st of November 2022 by pressure groups of Meghalaya that include the Hynniewtrep Youth Council, the East Jaintia National Council, the Jaintia Students Movement, the Hynniewtrep Achik National Movement and the Confederation of Bhoi people under the banner of the Save Hynñiewtrep mission to demand from the MDA government the implementation of various demands of the people of the state. The rally was organized to place before the government the 9-point demands of the mission that include the implementation of ILP, the inclusion of Khasi and Garo languages in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution, the relocation of sweepers colony from Them Yo Maulong, the employment of qualified youth in various government departments, the review of the MOU signed during the first phase of border settlement between Meghalaya and Assam, and others.
This is not more than 5. You cannot assemble after section 140. Yes. Assembly, yes. Oralian procession.
Any kind of assembly, any kind of procession.
But we are here.
Or you cannot go.
They will all not go. We'll go as leaders.
Nobody will shout.
We are fixed.
We have seen the statement made by the Deputy Chief Minister yesterday, where he has stated and called upon all the NGO and the members not to be busy in the street and beating up people because the secretariat is always open for them. So based on that news, based on that information that was given or a call given by the Deputy CM, today from our side, from the 5 organization in which we have already announced that we have launched the Save Hynñiewtrep mission, in order to get a clarity, in order to get an answer from these people who are holding the post of the minister, the post of the chief minister and the representative, we have come and marched towards the secretariat so that we can meet them and ask a question and put a question to them to get a clarity as to what happened to the resolution regarding the ILP, as to what happened to the resolution regarding the Khasi language, as to what happened to the inquiry commission in which the one-man commission has already stated that the police are involved in the killing of the late Cherister Phil. Thank you. As to what happened to the various charges of corruption in the state, as to what this government is doing regarding the unemployment, the job reservation policy, as well as the repealing of the casino. We came with that motive, we came with that objective to meet the people who are representing us. But sadly, we came to know the reality, the fact that from now on, if you want to come to the secretariat, if you want to meet your representative, you have to ask for permission from the deputy commissioner or from the district collector. This is unfortunate. We have not had this kind of a situation because on one hand, the deputy CM called us in the secretariat to discuss issues, not to beat up people on the street, but to come for a discussion. But on the other hand, they promulgate section 144, not allowing us to march towards the secretariat to meet a representative. Since when in the democracy, since when in Meghalaya meeting the Chief Minister or meeting the Deputy CM, we have to write for an application to the District Magistrate. We condemn this in the strongest sense, and we think this is just a ploy of this government to keep the people's voice at their home, not to allow people to come to the street to protest, not to allow people to come to the street to show that we're not happy with the functioning of this government. Maybe this is just a ploy or a tactic of this government to further strengthen its own party or their own party so that they may gain political mileage in the next election. We condemn this. We condemn the use of the district administration in order to prohibit us or to restrict us to meet our elected representative. And in the meeting which we had with the Honorable Home Minister, of course it was a meeting which we didn't even want to go, but since that he has invited us, we know that it will not be a fruitful meeting. It will be a useless waste of time. But at the end, we respect him as our Home Minister. So we just went and informed him that today we have launched this program, the Save Hynñiewtrep mission, and from today, in these days to come, this agitation, the 5 organization will further intensify, and it will launch the series of agitation. And we also want to inform the district administration, the government, that surprise agitation from now on will keep on happening in the city of Shillong. Not just in Shillong, in every place that the Chief Minister visit, that the Deputy CM visit, or any minister visit, whether it is for their own party's meeting or for official meeting, our members, our volunteers will go to those places and remind and ask questions to them as to what happened to these 9 points of demand. So that was the objective of today's meeting, and after this we'll be announcing a series of agitation.
What